I wanna show you how to make a glow transition effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added 2 video clips to my timeline, and I want to apply the glow transition between them. First of all, go to your project panel, create a new adjustment layer, and place it above your video clip on the timeline. As soon as you have already put it in the middle of the 2 video clips, just adjust the duration of the effect. Then, go to Effects and write ProCam. Add your ProCam effect to your adjustment layer. Come back to the Effects control, and under the ProCam, click on the brightness, the first stopwatch icon will appear. Move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and change the value of the brightness to 100. Again, move your timeline to the end of the video clip and change the brightness to 0. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.